Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of GMS Racing. Today we have our sponsor, Gustavo, headed here from California. The car's in the trailer, headed this way right now. We're just getting the shop cleaned up, moving some things around. We have the Supra, we have Keenan's, Black Market Exotics, Lambo here, and the R8. But he should be here by about 4 o'clock, so in about a couple hours. So we'll get a video of him getting unloaded, get it on the lift, get the turbo kit on, and at the end of the day, we'll have it on the rollers. So stay tuned.
All right, guys, we got something real exciting. Real exciting. And it's not a Supra being washed.
Not a Supra.
Not a Supra. A little more exciting. Yeah, got the snap-on, guys. Whee-ish. Look at that thing there.
Oh, I didn't see you using it.
What's up, bro?
Yeah.
How's it going, Tim?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
man.
You got your braking knife.
Our other boxes doesn't have that.
You have the cord right here, plugs into the back, and that gives you power for the drawer.
We're lacking power outlets, dude.
And this plug right here plugs into the back here, and then you've got your 10 outlets up top. Sweet.
Yeah, we've ordered this box. How long has it been?
10 weeks.
Like 10 weeks. So.
Are you videoing?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
These are built in. Now we have these.
Is the top doesn't open?
No, this is,
Nice.
yeah.
I prefer that because
nice.
then you said shit on top.
This is all, yeah. This is all flipping to play with.
Yeah. Give it a week.
Here, get next to it. I want to take a picture. I mean, it ain't going to be like Instagram worthy like yours, but I at least want to get a picture of you here.
Yeah, this is good.
Oh, get in there. This is your gig, man. Yeah, get everybody.
Oh shit.
A regular day at GMS.
We'll be at GMS. Trying to get something figured out here. You know what I mean?
Got Coben chilling with the Mustang GT350 right here.
One of many he's got.
One of many cars that he's got in his collection over there. You know, Nelson playing around with his M5. So had these wheels in the back. Now he's putting these wheels instead. Check them out. Yeah, home. What do you think?
I think I like the M wheels better.
They look nice, huh? The M wheels. What y'all think? Put in the comments. We're gonna burn these tires out anyway. We're just trying to get new tires on here. But the Bennett is over here. Yup. You know, got the Super kit finally done. Check this out. Got the install today. Oh, from California. Gustavo Mk5 is coming through. We're gonna install this today on his Toyota Supra A90. It's gonna be so clean. It looks so hard. You know, we've been working on it like crazy. Finally gonna get it in the lab. So, and you guys remember the R8? What do you guys think? So we want to put this kit completely redesigned on this bad boy. On this bad boy.
This one's older.
Tell Keenan to do it. Put in the comments, say, Keenan, let's do it. Let GMS turbo your Huracan. I mean, jet slow boat.
Yeah.
He's a beast. Yep. Stay tuned for that. Got the barbecue going, guys. Look at that. A little bit of chicken tacos. Little guacamole y serranos for the business. That's how we do it here in Utah for lunch. Cook some chicken. Gets everybody excited.
So basically that's the number we need to figure out.
I like chicken. I don't know about you guys. You know what I mean? Well, Gustavo Mk5 is gonna come through. We're gonna install this turbo kit. Take him to a family party. We never do that, but you know, we got a special guest coming, so we don't want to have a bad time. Stay tuned for that. Hey, dog, look at that. Hell yeah. Gustavo Mk5 in the building. Sheesh. Look at that guy. And look at that thing. Pull up as far as you can, brother, and we'll help you bring it down. Straight from Cali, from my hood. Straight from my hood. What's up, G? Hey, nice to meet you, bro. In person, I'm John.
Gustavo.
John from GMS. Like, nice to meet you. Look at that, damn. Long drive?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah?
I'm used to driving now.
Yeah.
Bro, brother. Good to meet you finally. This is Jensen. This is my CAD guy, R&D. This is Nelson, my cousin and my shop manager. This is it, huh?
Yeah.
Fucking long drive.
Alrighty then. What we got, Robert? What we got going on right now?
We got Gustavo Mk5 here. We're gonna get his turbo kit installed.
Where's Gustavo over here? Gustavo Mk5, say what's up to everybody. Gustavo.
Finally out here. Long overdue, but we out here gonna get it done and make some power.
You
The new
feeling?
turbo kit. A little nervous, but excited.
Well,
See what we can make happen.
nervous. With nervousness comes happiness. You feel me? Yeah, it's fresh ass tat. Artist.
I am Monster.
I am Monster right there. Look him up. I'll put the link on there for you guys. He's out of Cali too. You know, Cali roots, just like me. You know, I'm from Cali too. You already know.
So his buddy in California with an STO just bought a Rift exhaust. Now we're good. Good. Goodbye, pure.
Goodbye. Look at this. Out with the old electronic wastegate. Little tiny, what is this? Little pipa. Get this bad boy in here. Gustavo looks real excited over there. Look at that. He's like, oh, it's out finally. It's finally out. Look at that thing. Yeesh. G35 1050.
This bracket, we have to take this off.
Yeah, I'm gonna pitch it right now.
Way better.
Hey.
You know what I mean?
He doesn't need the exhaust no more.
He doesn't, huh? Put it in your car? Swap it real quick. Put on this one. All right, so Gustavo's getting a custom GMS charge pipe on the spot because due to his port injection on his intake manifold, it sits a little higher and picks up the fuel pump.
It's like a fuel pressure.
Fuel pressure regulator. Okay, so makes the fuel pressure regulator sit
So we
on
were
the,
hitting the last charge pipe right here. Now we're gonna move it just this way a little bit so we clear it,
Yep.
and then put this right where we need to be. So just a little bit.
just a little bit.
Good thing it's getting installed here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and now it's all somewhere else.
Yeah, that's convenient, huh? And at least it's a charge pipe, not like the manifold.
The fun things at GMS.
I'll buy the exhaust off you right now. Yeah. Sometimes like that.
Imagine.
Send the money back.
It hurt. I had to get rid of it.
Hell yeah. On the fly.
Yesterday.
guys, we got Gustavo out of here. We didn't get to film too much of there. We ran into some issues with the charge pipe because of his port injection, but we got that revised, and actually we revised it on our feature kits. So now our down pipes are compatible with whether you have port injection or you don't. No modification is needed at all as far as the charge pipe goes. The dump tubes go in really nice. The manifold goes in really nice. You'll get the gates and the dump tubes already clocked on there, so you won't have to worry about clocking them right. And we'll make sure that we set it up so you can just slide it, wiggle it right in, and get it all bolted down. Right now, I want to give a shout out to Curtis at PPE, Gustavo Mk5. Big shout out to him for coming through and doing all the, letting us sponsor his beautiful car. We got A90 shop as well that we're going to be working with. Shout out to Baba Yaga as well. He'll be running our top mount turbo kit on his car, so he's ready to make some big jam. So you guys keep in touch with us. We have a lot of big guys out in the game that are going to be working with our stuff. So we're excited with that. We have a few kits already sold that are going to be leaving in the next couple of weeks. All running the G351050, which seems to be the hot one right now. But I want to show you guys charge pipe, just how easy it goes on, just from here, just like that. 3-inch all the way down to there, and you get a sleeve boot, and it boots up to, this is a G30-900, but this is basically how it sits, just like that. As far as the cover goes, you'll have to trim the cover just a little bit to make it work, which the cover doesn't work with port injection anyway, so that makes it no biggie from what feedback we've gotten from other guys. But we're excited to have that out. So make sure that you guys hit up A90 shop for some stuff. You hit up PPE Curtis over there for some stuff on his, if you're in the area, or look him up. He's going to be stocking our stuff, like I said. So, but yeah, we're excited. We got Jensen just cranking them out right now. Right, Jensen? Yeah. Making some charge pipes. We're trying to cut down our lead time, so we're trying to have some stuff on hand, so we'll be able to catch up and cut that down. Right now, we're looking about 2-week lead time, depending on turbo availability. But we do have a good source right now to 4 turbos, so we're having pretty good luck with that. So make sure you guys reach out. We also are working with a couple guys on a 6-port manifold, so we'll be having a car coming in here to develop the 6-port application for all you guys. We're getting a lot of inquiries on it, so we want to make sure that we can supply that to you guys. We're looking a couple months before that's released, but will you guys be able to keep touch with us on here? We'll put a lot of the R&D stuff on here and how it looks, how it's working as well. But keep in touch with us, like I said. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, give us a follow on Instagram, and just follow our move.